I'm here to tell you about the Sarasota County do-it-yourself home energy and water audit kits that are available for checkout through any Sarasota County library. These DIY kits come with this in this backpack with all the materials here, and they are a simple and economic way for any resident to learn how they can evaluate their home energy and water use and save money on their electric and water bills. By using this kit, you can conserve resources, save money on utility bills, and learn how you can lessen your impact on the environment. So this kit is for residents who have already taken first steps toward trying to improve their home energy and water efficiency, and they're interested in taking those efforts to the next level. This kit is not intended to substitute a professional auditor or any commercial installation upgrades. However, it does have things that you can do at home by yourself, and the kit focuses on those sorts of energy and water efficiency upgrades. Using this kit allows you the opportunity to perform a detailed energy and water analysis of your home, so you know where energy and water is being used and also where it's being wasted, and then it helps you prioritize different projects to improve your home's efficiency. So inside the kit, inside this backpack, you have all these materials, and then you also have this laminated sheet which includes a list of all the things that are included and a little bit about the kit. So within this kit, you'll find a tape measure, ruler, a kilowatt meter, an infrared thermometer, a high growth thermometer, these reference materials, a shower head or faucet water flow measuring bag, and toilet tabs. And also you'll have a timer and a calculator, and then of course this energy and water evaluation guide, which is your step-by-step guide that'll take you through the whole energy and water audit process, and then it'll also help you prioritize your efficiency projects at the end of your audit. So one thing that's important to remember about the audit is that if you ever find yourself about to perform a task and you feel uncomfortable performing it, just stop and don't do it, because your safety is most important. So I'll start going through a little bit of what is inside the guide. Inside this evaluation guide, there are 3 sections. It starts with the energy audit, then the water audit, and then at the end there's the appendices. And so the energy and water audit sections are set up the same way. In the beginning, they go through how energy and water is typically used in a home and where it comes from. And then it goes into the audit process, which is basically a detailed examination of how energy and water is used in your home, and it helps you identify where it's wasted. And then inside the audit process, there's these blue boxes, and that's action steps within the audit process of when you're trying to find your energy and water profile. And then those action boxes will often ask you to use different materials within the kit. For example, this one asks you to use that infrared thermometer. So I'm gonna briefly go over a few of those items to help you get started on your audit process, just to make sure everyone is comfortable with using all the items within our kit. So this is the infrared thermometer, and it basically helps you read surface temperatures of different materials. All you do to use it is point it at whatever you want to take the temperature of, and then click the button on the back, and then it gives you a temperature reading. So the audit book, or this evaluation guide, will tell you when and where you want to use that during your audit process, and what different temperatures around your house mean, and if there's any room for improvement, and what that means for the efficiency of your home. Next, we have this kilowatt meter, which helps measure the electricity usage of different appliances and devices in your home, so you know exactly how much a certain appliance or device is using over a given period of time. So over here, I have a lamp plugged in to the outlet where I have my kilowatt meter set up. And so the DIY kit actually comes with 3 of these, so you can measure 3 different appliances or devices at one time in your home. And the audit explains what all these buttons do, but basically they're a different unit of measurement. Right now I have it set to watts, and you can see that this lamp is using 27 watts right now while it's plugged in. and that'll help you during your energy audit part. Next, after you've completed your energy audit, at the very end of that section, it helps you prioritize different projects that will be most useful for your home in terms of energy efficiency. And then after that, you can go into the water audit, and it's the same setup as I mentioned before, where it goes over where water is typically used in your home, and then it goes into the detailed water audit that you can do by yourself. One part of the water audit asks you to use a hydro thermometer, which is this right here. It is a temperature and humidity sensor, and what that does is just take a temperature and humidity reading of whatever room this sensor is in. Right there and right there, you can see those values. And then it also gives you high and low values of humidity and temperature over a 24-hour period. And then every 24 hours it resets. And the audit book goes through how to use that and what those numbers mean for you and your home. Next, we have the shower head and water faucet water flow measuring bag, which helps you measure what the water flow rate of your different water fixtures is and helps you determine if you maybe need a more efficient water aerator or a water fixture. And lastly here, we have dye tablets, and those help you identify if your toilet might have a leak. And those are also very simple to use, and this evaluation book goes into how to use those. Lastly, after you've completed your energy and water audits, and you've created a plan of your priority projects, at the end of the audits, there is this page in the evaluation guide that has energy and water conservation improvements, and they are listed by how expensive they are and their paybacks. So that can help you also prioritize different projects that you can do after your audit and in the coming years for your home. And then lastly is the appendix section of the evaluation guide, and it is mentioned throughout the energy and water audit processes. And basically what's in the appendix is different worksheets and reference material that's helpful when you're trying to determine your energy and water profiles for your home. And all of these materials in the appendix, the worksheets that are useful, and actually this whole evaluation guide can be found electronically as well. You can find it electronically on our website at scgov.net/energyupgrade. So you can check that out electronically too if you don't like working off the paper. And then also in the appendix that's kind of useful is they have operational manuals for the different devices. So if you're still having some trouble figuring out how to use the device, or the audit wasn't helpful, there is the operational manuals for the different devices in the kit back there too. And that's basically it. Like I said, this is the do-it-yourself energy and water audit kit. You can check it out from any Sarasota County library. And also remember that any efficiency measures that you do, whether they're big or small, can and do make a difference. They can help you save on your utility bills and lessen the impact on the environment. So if you would like to learn even more about this DIY audit kit or how to check it out, you can go to our website at scgov.net/energyupgrade or scgov.net/library for the libraries page. Thanks and good luck with your audit at home.